Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video we are going to learn how to deal with color in Excel VBA. In previous classes we have learned about some colors, how to apply some colors in some cell and some text also. But here we will learn in detail how to deal with colors in Excel VBA. So let's go to the computer screen for detail. We are in the computer screen now. Basically there are three methods in Excel VBA to apply colors. First is vbColor, like VB red, VB green, VB yellow and so on. Second method is ColorIndex, okay, and third method is RGB color. We will learn about all the things in detail. So in vbColor, we have basically 8 colors, like VB red, yellow, we have the list. And you can see the color samples next to it. So we will open the VBA editor and apply those colors. Let's go to the VBA editor, Alt F11. I have already inserted one module here like color with name and one macro already. Okay. So we will put some color in some cell. For example, I am mentioning here active cell. So active cell, we will change the color of active cell. Dot interior. Just a second. Dot interior. Because we are going to change the background color or cell color of the selected cell. If you require to change the text color, then you can refer to the previous videos. Okay, we have discussed about that in detail. Okay, so interior dot color is equals to, we can use these colors like VB green. So active cell will be green. Let's run it. If I run it, you can see active cell become red. We can use these 8 colors also. Okay, so there is only 8 options. Second method is ColorIndex. We can see here 0 means no color. Okay, in the time of text 0 means black, because by default color of the text is black and by default color of the cell is blank, means no color. That's why if we put 0 in ColorIndex, there will be no color in cell background. And if we use the ColorIndex code like from 1 to 56, then it will be the respective color as we have mentioned here in this Excel sheet. Okay, you can see the color samples here. We will try about some colors here. We will go to the VBA editor and instead of color we will type here color.ColorIndex. So active cell dot interior dot ColorIndex equals to, if we type here like 12. So if we activate any cell, suppose I am selecting this cell, that means this is the active cell now. And I am just going to run it. You can see the active cell becoming this color with 12 color index. If I change this color like 34, then you can see this color becoming 34. So we can use this 56 color here to colorize our cell or any text or something. Okay, but there are some limitations. In vbColor we have only 8 options, and in ColorIndex we have only 56 options. But if we need to apply more colors, more variation colors, then we have a large number of scale with RGB method. RGB stands for R for red, G for green and B for blue. Each color have a scale of 0 to 255. The minimum value is 0 and maximum is 255. Okay, so let's try about that also. So here this is my active cell and here we will type again the color. So active cell dot interior dot color. So here instead of active cell, we can put some cells, some range also. We have discussed about that in previous videos in detail. Okay. So active cell dot interior dot color equals to, here we will type RGB and in parentheses we will type the red as integer, green as integer and blue as integer. So here 0 is the lowest range and 255 is the maximum range. So we will in red we will type 0. In green we will type again 0 and in blue we will type 255. That means this color combination will produce proper blue color. Let's try it. If I run this code, you can see proper blue color printed here. I mean inserted here already. Okay. If I change this red to 255 and blue to 0, then it will be pure red. Let's try it also. You can see it is pure red. We can mix this color. Like here, if we type here like 100 and here you will type 255 or 250, or here like 150. So this is the color combination. If you run it, you can see this color is producing by this code. If you need to know RGB code of any color, then you can go to the fill option here and go to the more colors. Then you can select, go to the custom here, and you can select any color from here, and you can make it deeper or lighter. Okay, you can see this is the sample basically. Suppose this is my chosen color. I am taking some blue color here. You can see we can make it deeper and lighter also. Okay, so if I select any color, you can see this is RGB code R14, G19, and blue is 204. And if there is some color in some cell and we need to know the RGB code of the particular color, then what we will do basically, we will select the cell first and go to the fill color here and go to the more colors. You can see this color is by default selected here, and we can see the RGB code here 100, 250 and 150. We have typed this color. You can see we have typed this color in VBA editor. This produced this color. While we are comparing some color with if condition, we will discuss about this in future videos. Okay, then this color code will help us a lot. Okay, now we will discuss about how to remove color from any cell through Excel VBA. Before that, let me fill some color in some cells. Okay, suppose I am filling some random colors here. This is the color. So now we will remove this color from these cells. So there are basically two methods, two valid methods to remove some color from any cell or range. So our cell is active cell. I am selecting this cell. This will be active cell. So active cell.color, if we type here Excel none, the code will remove the color from the active cell or selection range. Let's try. If I run this code, you can see color has been removed. Okay. Second method is, I am selecting a different cell here, the below one. Second method is, instead of color, we will type here ColorIndex. And we have discussed about that in few minutes ago. Okay. ColorIndex equals to 0. Just a second. ColorIndex equals to 0. So if we type any ColorIndex 0 of some cell, okay, then it will be blank. It will remove the color from that. Let's try. You can see color has been removed. So basically this too is the valid method when we are going to remove some color from some cell. There is one more option like clear option. Let's try also that. If I type here active cell dot clear, then it will remove the color from here. If I go here and run this code, you can see the color has been removed. But the clear will remove all the things from the cell like validation, text, formulas, everything. But the Excel none and ColorIndex 0 will remove only color from the selected cell or range. If you have still some confusion about the VBA colors, you can write down on the comment box below. I will reply on that. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, put a thumbs up here. If you are new to this channel, hit subscribe button followed by bell icon. We will meet in a new video with new codes. Till then, keep learning and keep practicing.